Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u antor news.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor pabenta kasni. Boy biang Bah Sylvester Nongtnger SP ke is khasi health but ar ngut ki Heh Pulit IPS but MPS ki basha pynkynriah kam. Katanat kampo yeng kelawan rak biang ya Superintendent of Police SP barim Bah Sylvester Nongtnger manchimti biang kum SP ke is khasi health tak apa pynkynriah no eu na ka kam komandan ka 6 MLP Battalion Umran ka balshimti no da uritura chravi. Namar ki kendram gemi na ka jingshat jinget kawai kalok kemi na umdan katanat home police kala pynkynriah no eu Superintendent of Police jong ka is khasi health uritura chravi shah ka 6 MLP Battalion kabadon ha Umran Ribhoy district. Superintendent of Police ka CID Bah Vivex IPS ulah syak pynkynriah bacha thung mata kum Assistant Inspector General of Police ha ka jaka jong N Subhai Singh MPS. Mukesh Singh IPS babat kum IGP Shillong ulah syak pynkynriah kum IPG Commandant General ka Civil Defence but Home Guard. IG Prison Jari FK Marak IPS ulah syak pynkynriah kum Commandant ka 2nd MLP BN George West Garu Hills ha ka jaka jong ba Banshan Borlang je lalu MPS ubanshimti mata kum Commandant ka SF10 Shillong. Kumjuru Superintendent of Police ka Anti-Infiltration Directorate Bah Herbat Jilingdo IPS ulah syak pynkynriah mata sya ka kam komandan ka Fast MLP BN Mauyong ha ka jaka Swapnil Vasantru IPS bat ya ka kam Bah Herbert ashimti mata da ka Mary GT sangma kabla syak pynkynriah na ka kam principal ka Police Training School Umran. Bah Lakadors IPS babat kum komandan ka 4 MLP BN Sopian ulah syak pynkynriah kum principal ka Police Training School Umran. Superintendent of Police ka West Garu Hills Dr. Dara Aswagosh ulah syak pynkynriah mata kum Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills ha ka jaka Pankaj Kumar Rasgania banlechimti mata kum SP Sadar Shillong. Pawar Swapnil Vasantru IPS RR Arhaja Arfau Komandan 1st MLP BN Mauyong ulah syak pynkynriah bacha thungkum Superintendent of Police North Garu Hills District Risu Belpara. Abraham T Superintendent of Police North Garu Hills Risu Belpara ulah syak pynkynriah bacha thungkum Superintendent of Police West Garu Hills Tura. Ringrang TG Momin MPS Superintendent of Police FNES Tura ulah syak pynkynriah bacha thungkum Superintendent of Police bat CID Shillong. Burnu Sangma MPS Commandant SF Shillong 10 ulah syak pynkynriah bacha thungkum Superintendent of Police FNES Tura. Rupam Marak MPS Superintendent of Police Security Shillong ulah syak pynkynriah bacha thungkum Commandant 4 MLP BN Sopian. UN Subhai Singh MPS Assistant Inspector General of Police Shillong ulah syak pynkynriah bacha thungkum Superintendent of Police bat PR Shillong. Bah Sylvester Nongtnger MPS Superintendent of Police SB 2nd Shillong ulah syak pynkynriah bacha thungkum Superintendent of Police Security Shillong. Feroz Rahman MPS Deputy Commandant 5th MLP BN Samanda East Garu Hills District William Nagar la syak thung buun beteng panbat ya kam halor ka jik pynkynriah ya kum Superintendent of Police Traffic Tura. Turit di sangma MPS Additional Superintendent of Police Southwest Garu Hills Ampati la syak abu undang beteng banbat ya kam bat ulah syak pynkynriah bacha thungru kum Assistant Inspector General of Police Shillong. Marlon SH Nonghulu MPS Deputy Commandant 3rd MLP BN Kli Tersi la syak abu undang beteng banbat ya kam bat la pynkynriah bat thungkum Superintendent of Police SB 2nd Shillong. Stanislas Marak MPS Additional Superintendent of Police Risu Belpara ulah syak ba undang beteng ban bat ikakam bat la pynkynriah bathong u kom u Superintendent of Police Jong Eastern Range.